Welcome back to Tammy Adi Academy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the measurements we need to take in order to draft our sketch block. Let's get started. The first measurement we would need to draft our sketch block is our waist measurement. So you can see this is our waist on this mannequin. So you take your tape around, and the waist is usually the smallest part of your body, smallest part of the upper part of your body. So that's usually your waistline. So I'm leaving one finger in just to give a little bit of ease. You don't want your measurement to be too tight. You need ease in there because we are going to be moving in our garment. So if you make it too tight, you won't be able to move well, and the garment is not going to last for a long time. So you need to put a little bit of ease in there. So that is our waist measurement, the smallest part of your body. When you're done taking that measurement, we'll move on to the hip measurement. The hip measurement is the widest part of the lower part of your body. So you take it round, where you take it around. On this mannequin, the hip line is already marked. So you take your tape around your hip. Make sure that on the back, the tape is sitting on where your bum protrudes out the most. That's where the tape is sitting, on the back. So you take that and take that measurement, and like we did on the waistline, you leave one finger in. You don't want it to be too tight. Remember, leave one finger in for ease. The next measurement is your hip depth. Hip depth is the distance between your waistline and your hip line. So you're going to take your tape from there down. So basically, where you took your waist measurement to where you took your hip measurement, you measure that distance. You measure the distance, and that would be your hip depth. And the last measurement is your skirt length. So from your waistline down to your desired length. So if you want an ankle length skirt, you can take that measurement. If you want a knee length skirt above your knee, 3/4 length, you take that measurement. So those are all the measurements we're going to be using to draft our sketch block.